Hi, good morning. I am Atul Moghe, working with Mylan Laboratories Limited, Hyderabad as Associate Vice President in Regulatory Affairs. I am currently pursuing Executive Program in Strategy and Leadership at XLRI NCR campus. The key takeaways from campus immersion is practical understanding of strategy and leadership development programs as they go along, and working on the case studies, and more importantly networking with the colleagues who have been part of this journey for last 1 year, and sitting with them, understanding their problems, understanding the priorities, how they work upon their priorities, and also the problems which they face during day-to-day working. So that's the more important aspect of strategy and development. I belong to pharmaceutical industry, and in this program there are possibly 4 or 5 only from pharmaceutical industry, but it's a mix of the people from construction, IT, technology, education, and all along. So the most positive side of this program is networking, and you get along with the people who are diversified, who are working in different fields, and most importantly their experiences which they gather during the journey which they have spent in their industry. And last but not the least, situational problem solutions, that is the case studies and the problems or the mission which we have to accomplish within a span of 15 to 30 minutes. That's most important. So strategy and leadership is a demand for today's business, and you are expected to devise different strategies looking at the market scenarios and the limitations which your organizations have. So while doing this program, I have come across different fields, different professors, and also the theories which decide on the strategy which is to be followed. So it has helped me to take holistic view of this problem, and not only that, also the solutions which you think is the easiest may not be the best solution always.